In today's video, I'll show you how to create a high-converting one-product Shopify store. We'll go over everything from setting up your store from scratch, customizing your theme to look sleek and professional. You can check out the video description to quickly jump to any timestamp. What makes this video stand out is the use of AI tools. I'll show you how to use AI like ChatGPT and Claude AI to create unique product descriptions that save you time. So by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to launch and optimize your store for success. Let's dive in and get started. Let's talk about one of the first steps in building your Shopify store, choosing a store name. If you're not sure where to start or what keywords to use, a great tip is to research your competitors. You can use PageFly's Shop Name Ideas tool to find similar stores in your niche and see what kinds of names they're using, which you can also find the link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Once you have some ideas in mind, you can use Shopify's business name generator. Let me show you how it works. All you have to do is enter a keyword or two that relates to your product or need, and Shopify will instantly generate a list of creative name ideas. You can keep refining the keywords based on your product's unique features until you find something that really resonates with your brand. Now let's talk about something just as important, creating high-quality product photos and a professional store logo. Simply upload your product image to Canva and start editing. In Canva, you can add effects like shadows to make your product pop. Also, be sure to include multiple angles of your product. Customers want to see the item from every perspective before making a purchase. Ideally, you should upload at least 3 to 4 different images to really showcase your product in full detail. Next, let's move on to creating your store logo. Canva has tons of templates. Now let's move on to a key part of your store's success, product descriptions and titles. This is where AI tools like Shopify AI, ChatGPT, and Claude can save you a ton of time while helping you create engaging SEO-optimized copy that boosts sales. First up, let's start with Shopify AI. Shopify has a built-in AI product description generator that makes writing product descriptions super simple. After you've added your product and key details like features and benefits, Shopify AI will automatically generate a polished, conversion-focused description for you. For example, I've entered a few basic details here like the product name, its key features, and target audience. With just a click, Shopify generates a fully written description that's not only persuasive but also tailored to your customer. But sometimes you might want to take things a step further, especially if you're looking to customize your copy or add SEO keywords for better visibility. So with ChatGPT, you can generate high-converting product descriptions, headlines, and even subtext for your product images. Start by inputting the key product features, things like material, functionality, size, and any unique selling points into ChatGPT. You can also include details about your target audience and the problem your product solved. For example, if you're selling a portable blender, you might list features like compact design, USB rechargeable BPA-free materials, and mention that it's perfect for fitness enthusiasts or busy professionals on the go. With this input, ChatGPT will generate a description that not only highlights the product's features, but also connects with your audience by explaining the benefits, like how the compact design makes it easy to carry to work, the gym, or while traveling. This approach helps customers see how the product will fit into their lives. Next, let's use Claude AI to generate SEO-friendly headlines and subtext for your product pages. Just like with ChatGPT, you'll start by inputting your product's features and the key benefits you want to highlight. If you're wondering how to get started with these AI tools, I've included some suggested prompts in the video description. These are tailored specifically for writing product descriptions, creating headlines, and even SEO optimization. So you can start generating high-quality copy for your store right away. Now, let's add your product. Click on Add Product, then paste in your product title and description. Next, upload your product images. Don't forget to check the search engine listing section. Here, you can customize the title and description to control how your product appears in search engine results, helping boost your visibility. Since you're running a one-product store, managing categories is straightforward. You'll only need to focus on showcasing this single item, so no need for complex product collections. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a closer look at two of the most important parts of your one-product Shopify store, the homepage and the product page. Let's start with the homepage. The homepage is your customer's first impression, so it needs to be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and focused on converting visitors into buyers. The first thing to customize is the hero section. This is a large banner at the top of your homepage where you'll feature your product. Use a high-quality product image with a clear, bold headline that highlights your product's unique value. Something like the ultimate portable blender for healthy living on the go. This tells your customers exactly what they're getting. Next, make sure to add an Add to Cart button in the hero section. This is where you want to guide your customers as soon as they land on your site. Make the button stand out with a bold color that contrasts with the rest of your theme. The goal is to grab attention and encourage immediate action. Next, build trust by adding trust badges like fast shipping, secure checkout, and 30-day returns. You can place these just below the Add to Cart button or near your product display to reassure customers that shopping with you is safe and secure. Once your homepage has done its job of grabbing attention and building trust, customers will move to your product page. And this is where you seal the deal. Consider adding a short product video that shows the item in use. A quick 20-30 second clip can make a huge difference in customer engagement, allowing them to see the product in action. This can build confidence and drive more sales. Next, let's talk about product reviews and ratings. Featuring verified buyer reviews with photos is a great way to build credibility. Customers want to hear from other buyers, so make sure your reviews sound authentic and not too robotic. For a one-product store, having strong reviews can make or break the sale. So encourage your customers to leave reviews and upload photos of your product in use. Finally, let's take a look at some real-life examples of successful one-product Shopify stores. First up is Fible, a great example of a one-product store that keeps things simple yet effective. The store sells a single product, an ergonomic back stretcher designed for pain relief. What's interesting about Fible is how clean and minimal the layout is. They use a straightforward product image and title at the top, followed by a clear, detailed product description that highlights the benefits. Plus, notice how they've included trust badges like free shipping and money-back guarantee right under the Shop Now button. This builds instant confidence with potential buyers. Next up, we have Space Pillow, a one-product store built using the Electro theme. The same theme we've customized for our own store. The store sells a luxury pillow designed for optimal sleep quality. The hero section is particularly striking with a high-quality product image and a Shop Now button front and center. Also, notice how they've highlighted the product's unique selling points and customer reviews with photos to give potential buyers even more confidence in their purchase. Space Pillow is a great example of how to take advantage of trust elements like reviews and unique selling points to increase conversions, all while keeping the design clean and professional. And that brings us to the end of this guide on creating a high-converting one-product Shopify store. Also, make sure to check out the links in the description for all the tools and resources I mentioned in this video, including the Electro theme and other free tools to help you on your journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.